I had quite a few dreams of Bob Dylan, and they were always very good because you know what he said to me in these dreams? He said, "Mary Lee, I love your music. I think you're great. Never give up."
Dreaming of him. In my dreams, dreaming of him.
One day it occurred to me, there must be other people having dreams of Bob Dylan because he's so famous, right? So I started asking people about it. Have you ever had a dream of Bob Dylan? And one thing led to another, and I thought, this would be a great book with beautiful illustrations. So that's how I got the idea. I posted on Facebook and on various Dylan fan sites. And I have some DJs who play my music offered to ask their listening audience if they'd had any dreams. So there was a variety of sources, and I got dreams from all over the world sent to me.
She lit a burner on the stove and offered me a pipe.
He's an amazing lyricist who has been able to say things in original ways that other people haven't. He's had such profound impact on the world. That's very inspiring, that music can have that much impact. That's inspiring to me.
I've seen love go by my door. It's never been this close before. Never been so easy or so slow.